Hello guys, so today we'll show you in this video how to add animation. So open CapCut. We always use the phone, CapCut phone. You can download this. So we try in this example, this video. So select and split. Select again, choose animation. Here the pro version and the free. So we try this model. See the result. No, it's overlay. We need to remove, just wait a minute, we need to remove the OLED video. Yes, good. This is the example. So this is the result. We can also add a filter. We have many filters here in CapCut, so just select and choose filter. Here we have many filters. So guys, CapCut, you can do the YouTube short, you can have idea in AI and use it. It's a good app for editing video. So this is the result of filter and animation. Wow. Thank you guys. So if you have any question in editing, you can put your comment under this video. Thank you. So like and subscribe this video. See you the parts in the next one. This is about the background. You can add the background too. Okay. Enjoy guys for editing. Thank you.